if you really are afraid of color and you want to stick neutral, you know, one way of doing it is a really beautiful monotone color. But if you go monotone, you're going to want to go nice and light, right? Like you've seen the all white living rooms or bedrooms, or, you know, variant colors of gray, and you want to have the base of your room be light, bright, and airy if you're going to do a monotone. It's not to say that you can't do a very saturated, deep, kind of jewel toned color in your room as sort of a monotone, you know, the same wall color with curtains and maybe the same colored sofa. And, you can definitely pull that off, but that is an advanced, that's something you probably want to pull a designer in to help you out with, because that one's a more difficult one to do. So that's it for this video. I hope that helped. Please be sure to tune in to my other videos. I have lots of things to teach. And don't forget to check out MarilynTaylor.com. Have a great day.